Good morning, students. Hope all of you fit and healthy at your home with your family, and all of you completed now the whole work which I am given you. Okay, today we will do the remaining question answer from this chapter. So let's start today's classes. Ready, students, with your copy? Okay, first mention now here date. What is the date is today? The date is 24th April 2021, and your chapter name is chapter 1. The chapter name is chapter 1, the earth, our home. This is your chapter. Okay, subject, this is your SST class and your class 3rd. Okay beta, I hope all of you ready with your copy. Okay, very good. How many questions are completed, students? 3 questions I am completed now in previous class. Okay, today we will do the next 4 questions. Okay, so everyone write down the 4. Question number 4 is according to your book, it is name the first two. Name the first two astronauts. Astronauts who landed on the moon. This is your question. Everyone write down the answer with me. First is, tell me student, you remember it? Who is the first astronaut who put their foot on the moon? First is Neil Armstrong. Armstrong. Very easy spelling. Okay. And the second one is, think about Edwin, students. Who is the second one? Second is Edwin. You write down this type of spelling. Edwin. 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 Aldrin. ALDRIN. This question is completed now. Only the question is asking about name the first two astronauts who landed on the moon. First is Neil Armstrong and second one is Edwin Aldrin. I hope all of you understand now, and all of you learn the spellings and how you can read this spelling with their pronunciation. Okay beta, these are very easy spellings. Okay, then move to the next question. Start. Question number 5. The question number 5 is, according to your book, this is last question beta from this chapter. Write difference between horizon and coast. Understand now these two words. What is the meaning of both words? Horizon. Suppose student, when you are standing near the river shore and seashore, whatever, you are standing to the river shore. Sometime when you are watching now, after some places, the sky and the land both are seems to meet. Yes, yeah, no. That place is called horizon. Okay, suppose that when you are going now Ganga Ghat with your parents before COVID, you are watching now from this ghat to other side. Sometime the sand and the sky both are meet. Yes, some place where the river of the water and the sky both are meet, but both are never meet. You know it very well, but it seems to meet. That place is called horizon. Clear? And what is a coast? What is a coast? I think this word I am explaining you. What is a coast? The place where the land and the sea meet is called coast. Land and sea both are meet. That place is called coast. Okay, and in horizon, land and sea never meet. Land and sky never meet. Okay, horizon means the land and the sky never meet. The land and the water, water and the sky never meet. It seems to meet. Understand? One by one we can write now here. What is the horizon? First I am writing now horizon. It is a line only. Okay? The horizon, this type all of you write now. A line where the land and sky seems to meet. Okay, student, you should write in your copy neatly. Okay, then second is a coast. Just I told you what is the meaning of this word coast. Coast means the place where the land and the sea land and the sea meet is called coast. Is called coast. Here seems to meet is called, here you also you can write now, is called horizon. Here I mention now. This word is missing now. Is called horizon. Okay, both points are clear now, and look at here in the book. This is a horizon. Look at here in this book. This boy is standing near the river shore and he is watching now. In some places here the water and the sky both are seems to meet. Okay, this place is called horizon. This line is called horizon. Understand? In this picture also the land and the sky both are meet. I think both are clear now. Horizon. These are the example of horizon. And look at here. What is the coast? Here, the place where the land, this green part is land and this blue part is a water body. The land and the sea meet is called, it is coast. Okay. I hope both points are clear now. Listen students very carefully. Chapter 1. The reading is completed. explanation work is also completed. And in this chapter I am given now 2 diagrams. Some students, those are not completed the diagram, they can complete it. This is the first diagram from this chapter, globe of the earth, and here is the showing of land and water. And the second part is this part. This is the second diagram from this chapter. So all students complete both diagrams with the help of your book, complete in your copy. Okay, I think this thing is understand now. After that I am giving now the whole book exercise with explanation in my previous classes. So everyone complete now. This book exercise is also completed now in your book. Do not write this book exercise in your copy. And this is also completed now, the whole book exercise. And don't write, student, here your question answer in your book. Okay, this fill in the blanks is completed also. Take the correct option also completed. True false is also. And this activity is also is completed now. Here I am given now one homework. You can draw a picture to save water. So everyone draw here some picture to save the water. Okay, and one thing is, student, this chapter is completed now from my side. Okay, if you have any problem regarding this chapter, then you can ask me. Okay, all things is completed now. Okay, student, till then have a nice day, and in next class we will start a new chapter.